Yes.
Craig Morse here on behalf of Mr. Lubin's office.
Yes.
Mr. Lubin is downtown to hearings. We can wait until he gets here to deal with this. Another court wants to move forward. He should be here shortly.
Okay. I've spoken to Mr. Lubin also, sir. I'm aware the state's fine with that. We actually have an agreement, potentially, if the court accepts on monetary and non-monetary, so it should go rather smoothly once Mr. Lubin appears.
Okay. All right. I'll wait for Mr. Lubin.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate everybody's patience. Jose Luis Rodriguez, please. Good morning. Of course you can. You take your time.
They just said they're going to have to wait for former police officer Nouman Raja's attorney to come, so
All right, we have a
it'll take a while.
Let's give it Excuse me. Okay, who is it?
It's waiting over the air, Judge.
It's a state. Pierre, 30-day runner.
Okay.
You can check on that.
Also, please,
Absolutely. The case has been filed. Send it downtown. Ms. Gershon?
I've already played that game a while ago.
Terrific. You're out of here. See you later. All right, terrific. Jose Luis Rodriguez. Good morning, sir. They want you back in the state of Georgia. Your attorney's going to talk to you about waiving extradition.
But he does not want to waive extradition.
All right, so Mr. Rodriguez is not waiving. I'll set. He's changed his mind. All right, that happens. There's a lot of pressure. I'm respectful of that. I'm going to set a 10-day status check on June 13th. Now listen, make sure the state of Georgia is doing what they're supposed to do. I don't want you just sitting back there going, what? Nobody's coming to get me. So hopefully they come to get you before then. If not, we'll bring you out. We'll talk about what the next step is, okay? Good luck to you, Jose.
Hi, this is Daphne Durant. I'm inside the courtroom
You're welcome.
where we are waiting for first appearance to begin for Nouman Raja. He appeared here briefly, just for a few seconds, just long enough for one of his attorneys to announce that the head of his legal team, Richard Lubin, is on his way. Now, the breaking news that we've heard so far is that prosecutors and defense attorneys have come to some sort of an agreement on what Nouman Raja's bond is going to be. What the terms of those agreements are, we don't know yet, but we know that they have reached an agreement. And Chief Assistant State Attorney Brian Fernandez says he expects the first appearance hearing to go smoothly because of that agreement. Richard Lubin should be here, I guess, within the next 10 minutes, and so we will pick up from there when he gets here.
On the other two counts asking about the name, I have no contact with the co-defendants or their chairman, no weapons.
So I do order no contact with the victim or the co-defendant or their residents and no weapons. And now defense your request on bond.
Yes, he's a lifelong resident of Palm County, doesn't have the ability to post a monetary bond. And the court would consider an alternative release to provide the bond.
I'm going to leave all the bonds where they are based on his history and order no contact, no weapons. Good luck, sir. Lillian Roberts.
There was no bond yet because Nouman Raja hasn't made his appearance, and we're still waiting for his lawyers to arrive.
We're going to get you out of here. The state's willing to break down the charge and give you time served, and you'll leave in a couple of hours. And there's court costs the amount of $374.05. I'll give you a whole year to get it paid. Would you like to do that, Lillian? Oh, I'll give you a whole year, Lillian.
OR and let her come back with a little bit calmer.
All right. I'm going to do it based on the totality of circumstances. Okay, Lillian. Don't drive. I'm going to release you OR. Make sure you show up to your court date. Good luck.
No.
That's firm. Say that was firm. Stacy Capone. Stacy, my office called Rich Firstman. He says he's not representing you on this charge. He's not been retained, so we'll move forward right now with the public defender. Your charges are grand theft, larceny, burglary, battery. The bond is currently set at none. She's got multiple other charges pending. Am I correct, State?
As well as violations of conditional release.
I'm going to continue to hold you no bond. It's all without prejudice.
We're going to cut out now. We're being told we can't record anymore. Nouman Raja's lawyer standing waiting for his client to come out.
Nouman Raja, please. Mr. Raja's been charged with negligent manslaughter, culpable negligence, bonds currently set at none. Mr. Fernandez, I understand you reached an agreement.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Brian Fernandez, with the State Attorney's Office. Defense and I have reached a proposed agreement to the court that includes monetary and non-monetary conditions. The monetary bond would be $100,000 on the culpable negligent manslaughter, $150,000 on the attempted first-degree murder for a total of $250,000. Non-monetary bond conditions would be house arrest with GPS monitoring through the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office with permission for employment and attendance at religious services, surrender his passport to the Office of the State Attorney, no contact with any members or representatives of the Jones family, no contact with the Palm Beach County, the Palm Beach Guards Police Department, turn over all the firearms that he has in his residence to the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, no possession of any firearm, and no employment utilizing his law enforcement certificate or any employment as a police officer.
All right. Mr. Lubin, anything else you need to add?
No, Your Honor, I want to say that we haven't found the past.
Turn around.
And just
That was my number one concern in the whole list, so thank you.
And we would ask that obviously the passport be provided prior to any review.
So if you have it here, they're going to hand it to you right here in court.
Excellent, sir. Thank you.
And I trust that you'll hold it. Not personally, but Investigator Frazier's here.
Just for the record, it's being turned over to Investigator Frazier.
Terrific. Anything else I need to do this morning?
No, Your Honor.
I accept the stipulation.
Agree with those conditions you have in writing. I didn't know whether you wanted to actually sign the forms.
I went ahead and signed it just to cover all our bases, and I wish both sides, sorry for your loss, I wish both sides good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Judge Joseph Fox ordered Nouman Raja to be held on $250,000 bail. If he makes the bail, he can be released.
Now, all the folks that are here on this case, everybody just pause. We kind of have a protocol to have an orderly exit from the courtroom, including the press, because I've got a whole bunch of other hearings to conduct. So just follow the law enforcement folks.
His family leaves the courtroom. Gonna step out of the courtroom and meet up with Daphne, who's going to explain what just happened. A little bit of a backup as people try and make their way out. I'm gonna step outside and meet up with everyone else.